density of a liquid. The mass of the empty graduated cylinder is measured on the balance. Then we add 10 milliliters liquid in the graduated cylinder. And now the mass of the cylinder plus the liquid minus the mass of empty cylinder would be equal to the mass of the water. Now we take the cylinder and read the volume. Now we know the volume. And so our density would be the mass of the water divided by its volume. If you do the density of the antifreeze, the same, instead of water you use antifreeze, and at the end the antifreeze pour back to the original bottle where it came from. This way we recycle the antifreeze and don't generate any waste. 3 trials means this experiment to be done 3 times by different team members. 3 trials doesn't mean to do the experiment once and copy the result 3 times.